Hello, truly beautiful. Welcome to another Mompreneur Diary. Good morning. Gatas muna tayo. Wala mo ng kape kasi pregnant tayo. So while nakisit in ang aking Kuya Kari sa klase, I have time to work on our business. So kung napapansin nyo, medyo maingay kasi nakatira tayo sa school compound. So medyo naging familiar na kayo sa mini home office natin. Dito ako lagi nagpapack, nag-shoot ng reels. So for today, we will pack 2 packages. Actually, hindi siya order. We will ship this as a PR package to 2 recipients. So una, yung isa sa one of our ates na volunteer na mag-model in partnership with Dearly Beloved. Release tayo ng shirts for Women's Month kasi Women's Month ang March. Another one is a vlogger, CBO city-based vlogger. So I've been following her YouTube channel since last year and I really like her content. And I messaged her, "Hello, Doc Dali." She's a dentist kasi. Sabi ko, meron akong beauty brand based dito sa Misamis Occidental. Okay lang ba magpadala kami ng beauty PR package? And then she said yes. So we're gonna send her a beauty package. So una, beauty package at saka shirt na rin. So ang choice of color niya for shirt is white. Pakita ko na lang muna yung shirt. So white ang pinili nila pareho, but I'll show you the other colors as well. So ang ating shirt for Women's Month is based on 1 Peter 3:4, the unfading beauty of a gentle and quiet spirit. So ito yung puti, white and gray print. So ang sizes natin ay small, medium, and large. For the white shirt, 350 pesos. Magkakaiba kasi sila ng pricing per color. So, ayan. Hindi ko muna bubuklatin na kasi ang hirap tupiin ulit. Magagalit si tatay. So, ito naman, lavender. It's actually my personal favorite. Mahilig kasi ako sa mga light na mga pastels. I think it suits my personality. So, ito yung lavender. Ito nalagyan na ng tag. Dearly Beloved. So, if you remember, we started our shirt business way back 2020. Umpisa kami sa tie-dye. So, ang pangalan nun is Dawid. Dawid means beloved actually. It's a Hebrew word. So, we realized medyo mahirap kasi maintindihan yung Dawid. We don't understand it right away. So, in English na lang namin. Dearly Beloved. So, kung sa Ilocano pa, dungdungwen nga dungo. Sa Bisaya, Dearly Beloved. Gipangga nga palangga. So, ito naman yung mocha na shade na shirt. Ang cute lang, very minimalist. So, ang first 20 orders ay may free na Dearly Beloved keychain. So cute. And then, of course, meron ding mini devotional. And then, itong part na to, pwede mong i-cut to make it a bookmark. Itong cutie. So, balik na natin. Pinakita ko na. So, bibigyan din natin sila ng shirts. So, if they like our product, they can share the word to others. So, back to our packaging. How are you guys? How is your thought life? Wow. How's your heart? How's your relationships? How are your relationships? So yeah, it's good to ask ourselves these questions once in a while. To just take a step back mentally na, kamusta nga ba ako? To just, process whatever we're going through, whatever we're feeling. Sasabi ko nga sa mga estudyante ko sa online class, dahil napaka-fast-paced na yung buhay natin compared to how, our ancestors, even mga 20, 30 years back, compared to how life was back then. Ang hirap na nating i-process yung mga pinagdadaanan natin. Kaya siguro mas madami tayong mga mas madaming nagsistruggle emotionally and mentally because I believe malaking factor doon yung faster pace of life na because you're always on the go, always on the next thing. You don't really have the time to just evaluate where you are at in life. And siguro yun yung malaking rason kung bakit din, especially when I got married and got pregnant and had my baby, I chose to really slow down. Kasi I don't want to go through the motions, laging nagmamadali, and then after how many years, may realize ko na lang na, all those years passed me by very quickly. Although I'm not saying na walang fastness sa motherhood kasi siya paradox, mabilis siya kasi ang bilis lumaki ng anak mo, but at the same time every day if you choose to live intentionally, you can also embrace slow living. So sabi ko nga na ngayong naging nanay na ako, mas marami akong ginagawa, mas marami akong responsibilidad. Pero I think yung pagiging intentional about slow living is not so much about the tasks that you do, but the attitude that you have towards what you are doing. So yeah, I'm taking care of a toddler. Buti na lang may mga ganitong snippets of time na nahihiwalay na siya sa akin kasi dito lang naman kami nakatira sa school compound. May snippets of time na ako in the morning kasi nakikisit in nga siya doon sa class, and then pag tapos ng snack time, pabalik na siya ulit dito. So yeah, on top of taking care of a toddler, I'm pregnant, so mag-aalaga ulit tayo ng baby, and in the afternoon I will teach my classes, and then kapag may mga times within the day, pinaprepare ko yung mga orders, marketing, accounting. Syempre, diba, ma'am, Pinoy tayo, solopreneur, so tayo lahat. Nag-iisang empleyado sa ating maliit na negosyo. So, yeah, compared to what I used to do as a single woman, mas madami na akong ginagawa doon. Siyempre, meron pang diba, labada. What I'm learning is to not overcrowd my days with activities. Para focus ka lang sa major task for a day and give grace to yourself also, mami. Kung hindi mo nagawa ngayon, may bukas pa naman. So, ganun, may mga tutupiin ako mamaya. Gusto kong matapos, syempre. Pero kung, kunyari, kalahati lang ang nagawa ko kasi may kailangan na naman akong gawin o kailangan ako ng anak ko, then, I'll give myself that grace. I used to be a perfectionist. Naiinis ako nagalit kapag something doesn't go, the way I planned them to be. The way I planned them to go. Siguro nakaka-relate yung mga type A personality, diba? I used to pride in that na I feel like when I set my mind to do something, talagang nag-all in ako. At wala nang masama doon. Pero ang na-realize ko is through the experiences that I've gone through for the past 4 years of homemaking and building a family, talagang wala tayong control. We can plan. Yes, it's good to plan. At least meron kang foresight. Yeah. But now, yung planning ko is more on about direction. Hindi na yung parang micromanaging everything na natapos ko ganyan. Kung hindi ko nagawa ngayon, yun nga, sabi ko, nakaulit na, I give grace to myself, and that's just life. You don't have control over things. And ang importante is meron kang vision, meron kang direction, kung asan ka pupunta. And kasi pag you are thinking directionally, mas gracious ka sa mga detalye. So, ang pinaka-direction na pinag-prepare ko is, of course, to be a present wife, mom. I will be working from home kasi nga parang alagaan ko rin yung mga anak ko. Dalawa yung anak ko. So, how that looks like, mas flexible na ako. So, I work in the afternoon on my online classes. So, I'm blessed to only work 1 to 2 hours a day on my online teaching job. And then, syempre sa negosyo, flexible din. Whenever I have pockets of time such as this, nagre-reels tayo, nagpo-promote tayo, nagbabasa din ako ng mga business books kasi hindi tayo nag-business school. And I'm learning from experience, just being observant ba kung how other people do it, yung mga successful mom business owners. I don't want to get lost na to pressure myself na dapat ito ang ma-achieve ko sa negosyo at this time kasi ang priority ko nga is to, of course, take care of my babies and support mommies, diba? Support mommies through simple things as this because at lagi ko nang nakikwento, no, what helped me cope during my first postpartum experience was beauty and skincare. Hindi masama na you take care of yourself as a mom. I think you really need to do that in order to take care of your family. Kasi overwhelming, lalo na sa mga first time mom. For my experience, overwhelming yung hindi ka lang halos makaligo, kain, makapagbanyo. But just doing a simple 5-minute routine, maligo ka lang, maglagay ka lang ng sunscreen, moisturizer, it really conditions you to serve even more kasi you feel firstly well taken care of. So, yeah, back to not pressuring myself. Of course, meron akong mga vision, nakasulat lahat yan sa wall, post-its, ano yung mga mission, mga objectives ng negosyo, ganyan. All by the leading of God, by God's grace, maabot natin to. But at the same time, if you don't reach a goal, don't beat yourself up for it. It's just a measure na, okay, adjust the goal. Hindi pala natin kayang abutin tong sales na ganito in this period of time. Then adjust the goal. At least na-test mo. And, I've gone through many failed ideas. But I did not see myself as a failure. It's just that the idea failed. And kapag nag-fail ang isang idea, it's actually a good thing in a way. If you fail sa una kasi that's an opportunity to learn. An opportunity to learn early and learn fast. Sino si Steve Jobs po nagsabi nun na it doesn't matter if you fail as long as you're failing forward. So, parang ganun lang. Tinitest mo lang yung mga ideas mo and once you realize what doesn't work, then you try to find a solution to make the next idea work. Ganun lang. Yung learning curve talaga. Lalo na hindi naman ako nakapag-aral talaga sa business school. So, I'm doing most of what I'm doing by experience, by observation, and educating myself through books, through reading, following other entrepreneurs, mompreneurs, who are already in the position that I want to go to someday. Kasi ang pinaka-goal ko talaga is to have time freedom. Yung nga, di ba sinasabi ko na paulit-ulit na I want to be with my babies at the same time makatulong pa rin sa husband ko sa pag-provide ng needs namin. So, it's what God showed me since nakatulong kasi sa akin yung mga simpleng skincare and beauty. Ang dami ko ng kwento na, pero sana may napukuha kayo. Okay, so lalagyan natin ng moisturizing milky oatmeal. So, very moisturizing itong soap na to. It's based on oatmeal and milk. So, very calming for the skin. And ako kasi, I honestly and personally suffer from eczema. So, I really need my skincare to be very moisturizing. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, halos lahat may moisturizing something. Kasi nga, I suffer from eczema. Napaka-dry ng skin ko. So, kapag hindi siya well hydrated, mag-break out tayo. So, this is only 60 pesos. Imagine, for 60 pesos, meron ka ng trusted na soap. It's for face and body. So, it gently exfoliates your skin. Yeah, ang oatmeal talaga known to be very moisturizing. And then, meron din tayong SPF 30 tinted sunscreen in natural beige. So, nakikwento ko nga, diba? I-share ko sa inyo na I really like my everyday look to be very natural as much as possible, just enhancing yung features ko. So, maybe kung ganun din yung type nyo when it comes to everyday look, maganda to kasi 2-in-1 na siya. Skincare na siya, sunscreen protects you from sun damage, but at the same time, makeup na rin siya dahil may tint nga siya. So, ang kulay niya is natural beige. So, it's morena and mestiza friendly. Nasa middle siya. And then, meron din tayong SPF 45 hydrating sunscreen dewy essence. So, mas higher lang yung SPF niya, meaning you can, yung effectivity niya mas longer period of time. So, clear lang siya since wala siyang tint. But, ang feeling ko, pag nilalagay ako, it somehow brightens your skin, pero very, very subtle lang. And yun very hydrating. So, maganda to sa mga dewy look, mga ganon, very moisturized skin look. And then, of course, diba, another moisturizing ingredient ko naman because you really need it. Kahit na tingin natin na mainit sa Pilipinas, kahit na tingin mo oily ang skin mo, you actually still need to moisturize your skin. And don't take my word for this, but I've learned it some time ago na kung hindi hydrated at moisturized ang skin mo, it signals your body to produce more oil. Kasi yun nga, nagko-compensate siya for loss of water. So, kasi akala niya, dehydrated yung skin mo, mapuproduce na lang siya ng more oil, which attracts more bacteria na mag-lead to breakout. So, kahit na tingin mo, oily yung skin mo, o kaya matigyawat ka, you still need to moisturize and hydrate your skin. So, this is Snail White Moisturizer. Okay, so very soothing and hydrating for dry skin. At saka, mild lang ang formulation natin, mild lang ang scent. Madami talagang nagkakagusto dito sa scent kasi nga, alam mo yun, very subtle lang. So, usually, ganun ang ating mga formulation. Mild, gentle, subtle lang, natural, mga ganun. And then, next is ang ating Velvet Matte Stain. So, beautiful on eyelids, cheeks, and lips. Kasi kailangan natin ng ating makeup bilang mga nanay, bilang mga may pangarap sa buhay. Kailangan time saving kasi madami pa tayong gagawin. So, ang gamit ko ngayon is my all-time favorite, Love, Dolly Pink. Nasaan na ba yung, wait get ko yung tester. So, tatlo lang yung naka-open for testing. So, yung gamit ko ngayon is Love. Mag-swatch ako for you. For you, mommies. And soon to be mommies. Nakikita nyo ba? So, yan ang Love Dolly Pink. So, if you're for, you're going for soft girl look, ito talaga ang ma-recommend kong go-to. Lang, diba? Very demure. Very demure. Okay, and another one, ito best-selling Courage. Best-selling din siya. Kasi, classic red. This is your classic red lipstick na merong hint of brown. So, if you're a red lippy newbie, hindi ka talaga gumagamit ng red, pero gusto nyo i-try, this is the perfect introductory red lippy. Hindi kasi siya vibrant red, deep red siya. So, kita mo, meron siyang hint of brown. So, if medyo na-intimidate ka, pwede naman light application lang. Very pigmented, but at the same time, blendable ang ating formulation. Blendable and buildable. Next is, ito yung 2024 bestseller. Ito naman, Classic Brown. Mercy. Meron din siyang mix of red, pero compared sa Courage, mas marami siyang brown. Talagang classic brown siya. Yung nasa pangatlo. Kita nyo, difference. Also pink, red, and then brown. Wala kasi akong tester ng Blessing. Ito naman yung nude champagne. So, ito yung, parang sa lahat ng shades natin, ito yung pinaka-pure na nude shade lang. So, nakaka-fresh lang siya. Next time, pakitaan ko kayo ng swatch. Nag-iisa na lang kasi ito. Sold out na. So, ayun. Medyo may buffer pa tayo sa restocking ngayon kasi nga, medyo matagal ang waiting time for formulation. Mga 3 to 4 weeks. So, if na-sold out kami within that time and meron kayong gustong i-order, magpa-reserve lang kayo. So, ang ating ordering process is PMS to order at Pretty and Wise Beauty. And then, choose your beauty products. Sabihin niyo po sa amin ano yung mga i-order niyo. And then, we'll give you an invoice to settle your payment via GCash. So, via GCash lang po tayo. Payment first basis po tayo para siguradong dumadaloy ang ating cash flow. And then, just after na settle nyo na yung payment, usually we will ship out within the next day or 2 days. And kung galing kayo ng Luzon, it will take a while, mga 5 days siguro. 5 days bago ma-ship sa lugar ninyo, depending kung taga saan kayo. So, ayun lang. And after that, you can start glowing. Start glowing as a mom and never lose your spark as a mom. Kahit naglalaba ka, nagluluto ka, busy ka, nandiyan pa rin ang spark. Thank you for joining me today. Joining our Pack With Me episode and my chika. So, lagi na ako nakikita nagpapak And I hope that this inspired you. If you're a mompreneur or you're a new mom, pregnant or breastfeeding mom, working mom, stay-at-home mom, I hope this inspired you to take care of yourself, so that you can better take care of your family. Bye. Be truly beautiful, be pretty, and nice.